Hi you guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make this crochet diamond scarf, and it even has some cute little tassels on them. Yee! Let's get started. So this diamond scarf has a cute little tassel on each end. We're going to change colors every 4 rows, and it makes a diamond shape, an elongated diamond shape, where we're increasing on each side and then we're decreasing again and adding a tassel at the other side as well. You're going to need 3 of these Karen X Panton bamboo braids. They're so cute and so super soft. I used a color combination purple scribbles. You also need some scissors, a tapestry needle, and an H hook. So let's get started. For simplicity purposes of this video, I'm simply using one color for this tutorial. I'm teaching you how to increase for this scarf, and then I'm going to teach you how to decrease. The written pattern is on my website at nikkishomemadecrafts.com, and you will find it under Crochet Diamond Scarf. I will not change colors for this tutorial, but you are going to change colors if you're doing the actual pattern. Every 4 rows you're changing colors, no matter if you're increasing or decreasing. So start out with a chain of 6. You're now going into the second chain from the hook. You're making a alternative turning chain. That means you're making a single crochet and you stack another single crochet right on top. That is the alternative turning chain. That is a height of a double crochet. You're now crocheting 4 more double crochets, 1 in each stitch. At the end of the row, you turn. So you're going to crochet an alternative turning chain, which is a stacked single crochet, and that counts as a double crochet, and now you're crocheting 1 more double crochet, so therefore you have an increase right here. We're now going to chain 1, skip 1, and crochet 1 double crochet in the next stitch. That you're going to repeat until you have 1 more stitch left. Where here we have only 2 stitches. That means one of them is going to be skipped. We'll make a chain of 1 and skip, and then the last one right here we're going to do a double crochet increase. So now we increased on each side. So now turn, again an alternative turning chain and a double crochet in the same stitch. We're now crocheting 1 double crochet in each stitch. That includes the chain space right here. So it doesn't matter if there's a chain space or not, I'm going to consider them all as stitches. So whether it's a double crochet or a chain space. So in each stitch you're crocheting 1 double crochet each until the last stitch where we're crocheting 2 double crochets again to increase on that side as well. So over here, that's right on top of that alternative turning chain, we're crocheting 2 double crochets. Now you turn. Now we're repeating row 2 over here. So now after you finished row 2 and 3, you're going to repeat rows 2 and 3 until you reach row 36. That means you are finishing with an even number. That means that would be row 2. We're going to do row 2 and 3 one more set so you can see how it works, and then we're going to decrease just for the purpose of this tutorial, because rows 2 and 3 are just going to repeat until you go to row 36. So an alternative turning chain and a double crochet in the same stitch. Now chain 1, skip 1, and 1 double crochet. Repeat that until you have 1 stitch left. So chain 1, skip 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, 1 double crochet, and here we have 2 left, so that means we skip 1 and we chain 1, and then the last one we're crocheting 2 double crochets. Now turn. Now we have to repeat row 3. So again, an alternative turning chain. You could replace the alternative turning chain with a chain of 3, but I don't like that it creates a gap, so I'm not using that. So now we're crocheting 1 double crochet in each stitch until the last one. So here we have an increase, and now we're just doing normal double crochets, 1 in each stitch. That includes the chain spaces. And in the very last one, we're doing a increase again. So here's the last one. Increase, that means 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Let's do one more repeat of row 2, just because I want to teach you how to do the decrease as well. So let's say this row that we're doing right now, pretend that is row 36. You have an increase in the beginning, chain of 1, skip 1 and a double crochet. Repeat that until you have 1 stitch left. So once we finish the increase, so pretend this is row 36, we just finished it, we now need to do the decreases. So here's how you do the decreases. Again, it's 2 rows that you're repeating over and over again until you finish. This would be row 37. You're doing an unfinished alternative turning chain. That means you are not finishing it up. That means you leave 2 loops on your hook. Now you're doing an unfinished double crochet, like this. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through. That's your decrease. You're now crocheting 1 double crochet in each stitch until you have 2 stitches left. So here are 2 stitches. We're now going to do a double crochet decrease, just like you normally would. Just 2 unfinished double crochets, and then go through all 3 loops. And turn. Now we need to still decrease. So in the next row we have here this fillet type of row, but we still need to do decreases. So you're just doing an alternative turning chain. Now you're skipping a stitch, crocheting 1 double crochet right here. So this part is where you decreased right here. Now you do your normal chain 1, skip 1, 1 double crochet until you have 2 stitches left where we're doing a decrease again. So here you can see we have 3 stitches, so one of them is the skipped one, and then the last 2 we're doing our decrease. So as you can see, it's decreasing again right here. So this would be up here, this would be row 37 and 38. You're going to continue on that specific pattern of decreasing until you reach row 61. Once you've finished and you change colors every 4 rows, then your scarf will look something like this. And in the end, I simply added a tassel. For me, this was a white one with this purple color around it. You do not have to add a tassel, but I think it's a really, really nice feature, and it just looks so super pretty, doesn't it? So this is how you make your cute and adorable crochet diamond scarf with these adorable tassels that are optional to add. But it keeps you nice and warm, but it still has some gaps in between that it's perfect for the summer. So whether you use it as a wrap or as a scarf, it's totally up to you. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make this diamond scarf with cute little tassels. Please like, comment, and share on this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on the rest of my social media pages on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. I hope to see you there. Also check out my website for not only this free crochet pattern, but so many other more crochet patterns and tutorials at nikkishomemade crafts.com. I'll see you next time. Bye!